Call of entry. May we please give them space as the elected speaker and the elected deputy speaker also go to rob, or rather dress up in. And politician Dr. Kizza Besigye, despite a Supreme Court ruling on 31st January 2025 that called for a fair trial before a competent court of law.
Have the legal advisors to government rendered appropriate advice on the continued pre-trial detention of an ailing Dr. Besigye? What is the legal basis for the continued detention of Dr. Besigye in Losera? Under what instrument does Uganda Prison Service continue to hold Dr. Besigye? What steps have you taken to comply with the Supreme Court directive? How long will we take to conclude the transfer of all active cases involving civilians from the General Court Martial to the civilian courts?
The Attorney General also wrote to the Chief Justice asking the Chief Justice to appoint a judicial officer to be in charge of liaison concerning the transfer. That is the first working day after the judgment. On the 4th of February, the Chief Justice wrote back appointing the principal judge as the liaison officer. That is the second working day after the judgment. The Attorney General's chambers forwarded the letter of the Chief Justice to the Ministry of Defense and Veterans Affairs and to the DPP. Around that time, I came to the floor and stated that it is the duty of Colonel Besigye's lawyers and the lawyers of all those who are in the court-martial to extract a decree. That is part of their responsibility to their client.
We no longer extract decrees for purposes of execution. Court decisions by nature, especially at the level of Supreme Court, are self-executing.
The bureaucracy in addressing the directive of the Supreme Court should not be a ground of delaying in dispensation of this for somebody to get justice. What sustainable action have been taken to address the concerns surrounding the health of Dr. Besigye? As a House of Representatives, we are a voice of the voiceless. We are elected to speak for those people out there